Hello guys, today we're gonna be doing a tier list. So Arby's, question mark is I've never eaten there before. F tier Arby's, Chicken in a Box, question mark, AW, question mark, Boston Market, F tier. Wait, I was thinking of something. Burger King is better than Arby's, but it's a C tier. Checkers belongs there. Chick-fil-A, I've had it once, maybe B tier. Chipotle, I've actually never tried Chipotle Cinnabon, better than Burger King around but I like Chick-fil-A better. Jimmy Jordan's, never been there. Dairy Queen, Cinnabon, it's better. Dunkin' Donuts is A tier. Okay, we're gonna go back to the question mark. Oh, Five Guys. C tier. Hardee's B tier. Bottom of B tier. In-N-Out. A tier. Below Dunkin' Donuts. No, Jersey Mike's. I think I've had a little bit, but that's bottom of C tier. KFC, bottom of B tier. I know, Dairy Queen, actually. And go bottom. Krispy Kreme donuts, A tier. Long John Silver's, right here. McDonald's, that's top of B tier. Panda Express, never had that. Popeyes, bottom B tier. Okay, we're gonna go back to the question. Oh, Sonic. Okay. Steak and Steak, question mark. Subway. Oh, wait. Have I had Subway? I don't know. No? Oh, Taco Bell, the diarrhea is not worth it. Wendy's is like better than Jersey Mike's. Never had that. Whataburger, never had that. And last one, Zaxby's. Okay. Now we're gonna promote the A tiers. And I'm gonna move McDonald's up. Cinnabon. I'm changing my opinion now. Okay, so we're gonna put 3 in S tier and 1 in best of the bunch. So Dunkin' Donuts S tier. Out of all of these, the next one I would like Cinnabon, I guess. Sonic is definitely not moving up a rank, and Krispy Kreme donuts, In-N-Out burger. So not that. McDonald's or Krispy Kreme donuts. McDonald's and the best of the bunch out of all of these has to go to. I don't think any of these actually belong in best of the bunch, but which one is my favorite? McDonald's, you're not moving up. Dunkin' Donuts is moving up. So out of all of these, not including the ones I have never tasted, best of the bunch is Dunkin' Donuts. Ciao.